Hello everyone! Welcome to Gurong Pinoy channel, your online math lesson repository for Filipino students and teachers. Our lesson for today is adding integers with like signs. So what is the rule? The rule in adding integers with like signs, to add integers with like or the same signs, simply add the absolute values of the integers and copy the common signs. So what do we mean by absolute value, or what is absolute value? It is simply the distance of a number from 0 on the number line. And since we are talking of distance, it is always positive. Okay, diba kapag nagta-travel ka, laging positive yung distance na sinasabi. Like 2 kilometers, 5 kilometers, diba? So walang negative distance. Wala ka pang narinig na negative 5 kilometers. Okay, so it's always positive because when we say absolute value, that is simply the distance of a number from 0 on the number line. Okay, now, remember this rule in adding integers with like signs. Now, this rule is only applicable if all the signs of the integers are the same. So, yung rule na to, adding integers with like signs, kasi nabing like, okay, like signs or the same signs, ay para lang sa mga magkakapareho ang signs. Just like here, we have 2 plus 3 plus 4. So, lahat sila positive, or negative 2 plus negative 4 plus negative 7. Lahat naman sila ay negative. Now, in Filipino, this is the rule. Para mag-add ng integers na magkakapareho ang signs, kailangan lamang i-add lahat ang mga numbers at kopyahin yung magkakapareho nilang signs. Okay? Let's have the first example. Positive 5 plus positive 6 plus positive 4. Now, this is the same as with the plus sign or the positive sign, or without the positive sign. So, parehas lang sila. Now, the solution, since all the integers are positive, so positive silang lahat, this is just adding integers like the one you have learned when you were in grade 1. So, parang yung natutunan mo lang nung grade 1 ka kung paano mag-add ng whole numbers. Hence, you have 5 plus 6, that is 11 plus 4. The answer is 15. Let's have example 2. We have positive 8 plus positive 2 plus positive 10, or that is 8 plus 2 plus 10. Again, since all the integers are positive, this is just adding numbers. Kagaya na naman ng natutunan mo when you were in elementary. So, 8 plus 2, that is 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. You are correct. Now, we have the third example. In this case, we have all negative integers. So, lahat ng mga integers natin ay negative. So, what is the solution? We simply add the absolute values, meaning we disregard the negative signs. Diba? Pag sinabi nating absolute values, wag mong kukunin yung negative because it's always positive, right? So, we have 5 plus 6 plus 4 equals 15. But, because their signs, okay, yung sign nila lahat are all negative, so the final sign is also negative. Hence, you have negative 5 plus negative 6, that is a negative 11, plus negative 4, the final answer is negative 15. Okay, let's have the fourth example. Again, they are all negative. Negative 5 plus negative 10 plus negative 2 plus negative 3. Again, the solution is you simply add the absolute values. So, alisin mo lang yung negative signs ng mga integers. So, we have 5 plus 10 plus 2 plus 3. The answer is 20. But again, they are all negative, so the final sign is also negative. So, our final answer is negative 20. Okay, let's have the fifth example. Negative 20 plus negative 10 plus negative 5 plus negative 3. They are all negative. So, again, you have to add the absolute values. 20 plus 10, that's 30, plus 5, 35 plus 3, 38. So, because their signs are all negative, so the final sign of our answer is negative. So, our final answer is negative 38. Okay, this time, I want you to try on your own. Let's have practice problem 1. 40, 10, 5. They are all positive. The final answer is correct. It's 55. Okay, let's have practice problem 2. They are all positive. Okay, you are correct. The answer is 28. Practice problem 3. This time they are all negative. What is the final answer? Okay, so the final answer is negative 26. Practice problem 4. Again, they are all negative. Okay, you are correct. It's negative 17. So, let's have now a recap of our lesson, adding integers with like signs or the same signs. So, the rule in adding integers with like or the same signs is add the absolute values of the integers and copy the common signs. So if all the signs of the integers are positive, then the sign of the final answer is also positive. If all the integers are negative, then the final answer is also negative. Okay, that's all for our lesson for today. Like now, subscribe, and click the bell button for more videos to be delivered automatically to you.